top of her. Look at this one lying back here watching. He dogged it.
Morgan loves that. Morgan chasing him.
Yeah. Oh shit, the pup's just, Lily's just worked out if she puts her foot on the sprinkler. You watch this. That's not stupid, that dog. Look at her. Look. She's doing what Sophie was doing. How brainy is that? She watched Sophie do that and then she's done. Oh, now they're all going to have a go. Good God. Danger zone. You know Aurora won't go near water, won't she? These have seemed to have come to like it though. Look at these ones. Now they've... they're gonna end up biting your foot. Oh! Now they're going to cart the sprinkler away. Come back over there, so if they're going to take the sprinkler. I keep looking over the top of the camera and losing me shot. You need to take a video of this and send it to Terry on your phone. Right there, I'll get my phone.